Hydrogen sulfide, H2S, question and answer. What is H2S and its characteristics? Explain. H2S is produced or generated by decomposition of organic materials. It is a highly toxic gas and highly flammable. It smells like rotten egg at low concentrations and not detectable by odor at high concentration. It is highly flammable. Flammable at 4.3% to 45.5% by volume in air, it is colorless. It is heavier than air. 1.19, it is highly soluble in water and other liquid. When burned or flared it forms sulfur dioxide, SO2, which is also colorless and highly toxic gas. The exposure limits 10 ppm is the maximum allowed for 8 hours. Increasing exposure will cause headache and irritation of eyes. 800 ppm or more will be instantly fatal. What are prominent H2S hazards? Eyes and respiratory irritation, dizziness, headache, nausea, abdominal pain, loss of consciousness, brain damage possible, death fatal. Explain the precautionary measures to be taken while approaching H2S prone area. Sufficient number of escape masks shall be kept in areas where H2S is liable to present. In case H2S presence is suspected in an area, the persons must put on escape mask immediately and toxic gas test must be made immediately with appropriate detector to determine the concentration of H2S in air. Working person should be equipped with personal detectors and alarming device to alert in case of H2S presence. In case of H2S alarm, all personnel should vacate the area after donning the escape set breathing apparatus and report to the designated assembly point for mustering. If working in H2S contaminated atmosphere, must wear suitable BA set and work in pairs to support and rescue each other in the event of difficulties. Know the wind direction and evacuate in the cross-wind direction in case of H2S leak. Never go to a low-lying area during H2S leak. Paste H2S warning sign in H2S prone areas. The presence or suspected of H2S in any part of the plant or source shall be reported immediately to supervisor and respective area fire station for arranging rescue and support. How to treatment of persons affected by H2S. Positive pressure breathing apparatus must be worn by any persons attempting a rescue. The victim must be immediately moved to fresh air, possibly in the upwind direction of the gas leak. The rescuer must be outside the contaminated area before removing her personal BA set. If the victim has stopped breathing, resuscitation must be started immediately, using artificial respiration or a resuscitator if available. Resuscitation must be continued until the victim starts breathing unaided or until qualified medical assistance arrives. Medical help must be summoned as soon as possible.